जय हिंद एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है अंकुश कुमार और आज मैं आप लोगों को कराने जा रहा हूँ लेक्चर 8 का एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक दैट इज वन नेशन एंड वन इलेक्शन। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का अपना टॉपिक दैट इज वन नेशन एंड वन इलेक्शन। इंट्रोडक्शन। इलेक्शंस आर द मोस्ट फंडामेंटल important requirement to operationalize the democracy. So the way it should be they conducted it holds a very important thing or very important. And every year one or more state is geared up for an election in India. This process of campaigning is often very costly and tiring. Simultaneous election, that is one nation and one election, means a single voter will be vote for Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha election both on the same day. Now, uh, discussing about the favor on one nation and one election. If elections are conducted simultaneously, politicians will focus more on long-term development, less disruption to public life, less road traffic, and less loss to our economy. Second point, politicians will also focus on local issues, which as a result will be good for micro governance. It will also lighter the financial and administrative burden in EC, मतलब Election Commission. The same system is used in several both countries, yeah, other countries, even in Britain, France, when we occupied mostly our constitution and many other countries. Now, talking about some points against one nation and one election, that are to conduct simultaneous election in India, we will have to make many amendments to our constitution. Frequent elections in the country will uh, will hold politicians back to the public. Majority of voters of our country are unaware about the mechanism of the polity, so they may go confused. If any minister dies suddenly, then so we have to do elections. But in one nation and one election, it is very difficult to conduct the election. Now we're discussing about the conclusion of one nation and one election. That is, one nation, one election would be good chance if it could be carried out with the proper executive of policies and rules, taking care of the rising need for good administrative staff and security. That is all for today. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.